Alright, hey guys, this is Miss Peterson, and today I wanted to walk you a little bit through Canvas. I know most teachers around here haven't used it very much before, especially to its efficiency. So I'm going to walk you through it a little bit and a little bit of Teams as well, which is how we'll meet in person for office hours or if we tend to have class. You're going to be one of my two classes right here. If you've got me for AP Environmental, your dashboard's going to have one that looks like this. If I've got you for Earth Science, your dashboard is going to have one that looks like this. They're both set up pretty similar, so I'm just going to go into the Earth Science one. So here's your Earth Science start page. There may or may not be announcements up here, but in case there's not, you have them down here as well. I'm going to go into what it looks like actually from the student view. You'll only have these few things on the side, so hopefully that's not very confusing. You can always come back to this home page and get the links you need. So we have announcements here. Your syllabus is going to be linked here. This will link you to the Canvas calendar, just in case there's due dates or anything like that coming up for you. This is a link for meeting on Teams for office hours. It's divvied up by class period. Your warm-ups, which are discussion boards, linked to your Infinite Campus, Khan Academy, textbook, resource, my personal website, and then a contact me. So it has office hours, website, phone, email, whatever you need to get a hold of me. And anytime you want to click on what we're learning, you can click on any of this down here. It'll take you right in. So the first thing I'm going to show you is clicking into modules, which is just the stuff that we're learning. That's how it's set up. It's going to be set up by week. So this very first week is already uploaded for the most part. There's some stuff hidden from you here in this student view. There's a week at a glance. So you can see exactly what we're going to do for the week. You're going to have a warm-up every day, and they'll be dated underneath each day. Monday's assignment was a Flipgrid, signing the syllabus, and a quick DOL. Tuesday, you're going to have this, your warm-up and DOL. Wednesday, you have your warm-up, your notes, your assignment, your DOL. Thursday, warm-up. You'll have some notes that appear here too, assignment and DOL. And same for Friday, and a quiz due on Monday. So we'll cover the very first unit, Unit 0, this week. So that's how each week is going to be organized. You'll have warm-ups and DOLs and your assignments and PowerPoints notes in between. Go back to the home page. One thing I am going to warn you of is that there is not a whole lot of space on Canvas, so I'm going to have to remove your assignments and things pretty rapidly. Last year I could only hold on to a couple units at a time. It'll probably be even shorter now. However, I'm going to store it in a couple places. That will always be linked to my website. It loads. All right, Earth Science 2020 or AP Environmental Science. It's separated by unit. So I haven't done this yet, so I apologize, but you'll have your unit stuff here, and I'll put some files, PowerPoints, links to videos, things like that down in this area as well, just so if you need to go back to something, you can. It's not necessary. And the last thing I want to talk about today is Teams Meet. So if you're AP, we're going to meet every day in real time. If you're Earth Science, I have office hours where I can help you, I can teach you, you can ask questions, you can just do whatever we need to do, and this is live. So when you click on it, again, if you're AP, there's only going to be one period of you. If you're first period, you're going to click on here, and you'll find me. If you're third period, you can click on this one and find me. and so on. And this will be up all semester, really. That way you have that there as another way to get a hold of me during the school day, and we can talk face to face. If you have any questions about any of this stuff, please let me know. Us as teachers have been relearning and having to figure everything out, plus for Earth Science, a whole new curriculum all in the last week and a half. So please reach out. I'd rather you ask me 100 questions and know what you're doing than ask one question and not know what to do. Don't forget your DOL for the day. And goodbye.